Hey everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation, and I have my next design team package for Country Craft Creations. I want to share it with you tonight and show you what I'm going to be using. And I already know the project that I'm going to make. I am going to do an oldie but a goodie, and I think we're going to have a lot of fun with it. So let's get started. I want to go through this with you and show you what I've got, tell you what I ordered, and then you guys can have some time to go order it and be ready, because I'm going to be bringing you a really spectacular project. This is Bountiful Blessings, and again, it's by Country Craft Creations. It's exclusive to that company, and this is Thanksgiving themed. Now, where else are you going to find a Thanksgiving themed paper collection? I mean, you're not. This is truly a beautiful collection, and it's very, very unique. So I just want to go through what I got. So first of all, we'll start with all the goodies on the top here. I got some seam binding. I got several yards of the natural olive drab and chocolate brown. They just work beautifully with this collection, and I'm going to be using that. I'm also going to be doing a closure using some string and some chunky brads. So I did get this twine, and this is called, let me double check, it's called Twisted Ribbon, and it's champagne. And this is again by Country Craft Creations. And then I got these Doodle Bug Designs chunky brads, and I'm going to be using those for some closures of some of the pieces in the project that I'm going to be making. So you can use any brad you want, but these brads, the brown color, they're called Bonbon, and they fit beautifully with this collection. So I really wanted to use those. So just gorgeous. And the other thing too is that they're huge. They're giant. I love that. So there's 3 different sizes in there. You can take your pick on which one you're going to use. It's going to be great. So I'm going to get this out of the way, and then we'll look at the paper collection. So this was a paper collection that was done last year, but I really wanted to revisit it and use it and make this project for you. So I can't tell you how excited I am. I think it's going to be really fun. So here's the cover page. In each of the paper collections, this is the 12 by 12. You get 2 sheets of the ephemera that you can fussy cut out and use as embellishments and decorations on your pages. So absolutely gorgeous. On the back of this, you have this beautiful pattern here. So you get 2 of these in every paper pack. You also are going to get these cut apart journal cards. So you have the 4x6, you have 3x4s, and then you have a couple pieces down here that you could use as banners. So these are going to be really gorgeous. Look at the turkeys. I mean, I just love this vintage old-fashioned Thanksgiving theme. It's just gorgeous. So you get 2 of those. Then you have your pattern papers, and I'm going to show you the pattern papers. You get 8 of each, or you get 8 double-sided papers, and you get 3 of each of these. So you get 24 pattern papers in your package. And we'll just go through here. Here's a page with a lot of beautiful turkeys, and look at the colors in that. Isn't that gorgeous? And on the back of this, you have this beautiful print. Just gorgeous. So 3 of those. You get these pattern papers with the gourd and the pumpkin and the turkeys. And look at this. He's pulling the cook. Little does he know, right? Beautiful blue pattern on the back of that. Just absolutely beautiful. This paper here is gorgeous. This could be used in and of itself as, you know, a family portrait right here for your Thanksgiving. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Just gorgeous. On the back of that, some more of that beautiful print paper. The colors are stunning too, and I like the vibrance and with all of the Thanksgiving fall colors. I just love it. The cornucopia here with the sunflowers, just beautiful. And then on the back of this, some more of that green checked pattern. Then you have your Happy Thanksgiving with the hay and the pumpkins and this beautiful lady here, just gorgeous. And on the back of that, this beautiful kind of orangey color. It's not really orange, it's not really peach, it's kind of like in between. It's really beautiful. It's really beautiful. I like it. This page here, this makes me hungry. So pumpkin pie and turkey and all that. And then behind there, can you see all the music? It's gorgeous. I love the background of that. On the back of that, you get more of that. So these could be fussy cut out and used as embellishments as well. So I like that idea. Yeah. You're going to love the project. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. Okay, so turkeys and some of the pottery, just beautiful, beautiful china pattern there on the back, this beautiful blue with the floral leaves and stuff. It's just gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I'm so excited. We have our little kids here with the turkeys here. Just beautiful. And on the back of this, the red pattern. Gorgeous. So then, now you can guess what I'm going to be making, right? I'm going to make you guys a beautiful recipe book. So this collection, this comes separately. You have two different styles of recipe cards. So I got 2 of each of these. So 6 recipe cards, 4x6 on each page. And they're all, you can see they're all different. And then on the back, you have plenty of room to write down your recipes. So we are, yes, going to be making a recipe album with this collection. And it's going to be a very interactive, fun album. I think you're really, really going to like it. I did go through and I got some colored cardstock, some coordinating colors with this paper collection. So if you are a member of Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations, in the file section, they list all of the Country Craft Creations papers, and then they also match them with not only the artisan cardstock, but also the My Colors cardstock that goes with the collection really beautifully. So what I did was I went through that and I picked a couple sheets of each of these papers. So the artisan metallic cardstock, this is called Copper Penny. I got that because I'm going to be using this to accent the colors. And let me just show you here real quick. I can grab the cover sheet if I can find it. And I think I have buried it underneath all my stuff here. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Nope, that's not it. Well, you can see here. Look at the colors, how they match everything just beautifully. So they have gone through a lot of work to go ahead and, you know, figure out which colors work with the paper collections and which ones really, really will show off the papers. So if you're a member of Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations on the Facebook group, then you'll have access to this file. So anyways, I went through the file and I got these papers. So I got the Copper Penny, I got the Parrot, which is the green, Ecru, which is this off-white, and then Goldenrod here. So again, we've got Parrot, Ecru, Goldenrod, and Copper Penny here. All right. So that's what I'm going to be using for this project, and it's going to be amazing. I did get a couple other things to make the album with. So I did get a couple sheets of score tape. I think I bought, did I get 2 of them? 2 of them. And then I got 3 sheets of 8.5 by 11 heavyweight chipboard, because we're going to make a really nice heirloom album with this. So you guys go to Country Craft Creations at countrycraftcreations.com. Grab this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous paper collection, because you guys are going to absolutely love the project. Bountiful Blessings by Country Craft Creations, Thanksgiving theme. This is what I'm going to be using for September and October for my design team, and I'm really, really happy with this collection. I have done some other projects with this collection, and I will link those below because I did those last year, so you can see those. And then I'll come back soon, have a new project for you. So thanks for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.